Hey class, how are you guys doing? Here's a brief introduction of me, Omar.Soto. Um, let's see here. What I'm studying at Ventura College right now is the health education class, but my main course is physical education, and I'm getting a PE credential from the University of Laverne. It's um, it's challenging, it's rigorous, it's very fun, and it keeps me entertained, and it allows me to take what I know and what I've learned throughout my years and pass it down to the younger generation. I'm currently at the middle school age, so I'm dealing with a lot of sixth, seventh, and eighth graders, and I must say it's challenging, but yet it's rewarding at the same time. What I like to do on my free time is I like to camp because I just relax and hang out, kayak, and sit by the fire and just relax. That's what I do. I also cheer for my teams: Boston Celtics, the Broncos, UCLA Athletics, Duke basketball, and the Dodgers. I also like to work on Volkswagen Beetles. I don't have a picture of that shown here, but I enjoy tinkering with the cars as well. Let's see here. What do I think about health and how do I stay healthy? Well, I think health is very important. It's crucial. If you want to live a prosperous and long life, you need to stay healthy, and that's through eating right, exercising, getting plenty of sleep, all the stuff that everybody knows, but yet has a tough time incorporating into their lives. Now that I'm in my mid 40s, I'm taking it a little more seriously than I did when I was in my mid 30s. It's not as easy to keep weight off or stay as healthy and as active as you'd like without a proper diet, exercise, and all that good stuff. I love to surf. Surfing is what I do. I can surf every day if I could, but I do have to work and take care of my children. They are of age now to where I can go to the beach with them, and now they're boogie boarding, and the older one is now surfing. So we get to hang out quite often at the beach while mom sits on the sand and reads and she relaxes. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. I do hike. I've been quite a few different places to do hiking the trails and climbing mountains and all that good stuff. So hiking, surfing, and just relaxing and enjoying life is what I do to stay healthy. Health is very important. It's something that I'm going to continue to strive for, and aspiring to be a physical education teacher, this is something that I'm going to push towards the children in my program. We're going to work out, we're going to sweat, they're going to be sore, they're going to groan, but at the same time, I'm also going to teach them about health and what it means to be healthy and the correct foods you're eating and the exercise that you should be getting. And if you are getting exercises, you should be doing some more exercises. So, in a nutshell, this is me. I can't wait to see your guys's, and hopefully you enjoyed mine. I will talk to you soon. Do you stop this?